wrong?
My guidance counselor told me I need one more class to graduate.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Well, I got the perfect class for you.
What's that? What the? Where am I? How did I get here? Who are you?
I am the film genie.
Why are you here?
Well, I'm here to show you the wonders of video production.
Oh,
Want to go for a wild journey?
sure. Whoa, what just happened? Where are we?
Well, this is Mr. Aloisi's class.
Who?
Mr. Aloisi, he's the head of video production.
What do you do in video production?
You learn about film, cinematography, and taking videos.
So, is it fun?
Yeah, it's fun. This is Mr. Aloisi.
He's over there.
This is Mr. Aloisi. He's currently teaching Video 1 right now.
What are they learning?
About film and editing right now at this point.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
How are we getting to all these places?
Don't worry about that, silly.
What even is this?
This is a green screen.
What do we use it for?
A green screen allows you to be everywhere. You could be on Hawaii, the moon, or even Hogwarts.
What the? How are you doing this?
Through the power of magic.
What kind of magic?
Dark magic. Nah, I'm just kidding.
No, that's pretty cool.
Is it?
Yeah.
On to our next destination.
No. Where are we now?
Well, we're looking at one of your best videos.
But I haven't done anything yet.
Shh! It hasn't happened yet.
Oh,
Just watch.
okay.
Lay me on your riverbed tonight. They'll be chasing after us. I can't remember where you said it was. Are we different or are we the same? Are we different or are we fair game? Oh, take my body. Oh, just take my body. Oh, take my body.
Whoa, where are we now?
Well, we're in the main studio, Lewis.
Who's that?
Well, this kid's from Video Production 1. He's making his first video.
Oh, that's cool.
Let's see something else. Hocus Pocus.
Whoa, where are we in now?
Boy, if you don't
Sorry about that, Lewis. We're in the editing room.
What's he doing?
Well, he's editing his first video. Mr. Aloisi gave him a top topic this week.
Oh,
Would you want to edit your first video someday?
yeah.
Well, you should take Video Production 1.
How do I start?
Well, first you take Video Production 1. After you go on to Video Production 2. After you go on to Broadcast. Video Production 1, he teaches you the basics, the video production. You take the skills from Video 1 and put it into a video. Then Broadcast, you're on your own. You're making the morning show, you're editing, you're making mini segments, and all that.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah,
I'll definitely try to sign up.
but you should.
Hey, where are we now? Hey.
Shh. I'm swirling my head.
Bro, where are we?
Oh, sorry about that. We are now in the control room. This is where broadcast honor students edit all their videos.
What do they do?
They make the morning show,
What's the morning show called?
AM Central,
Where can I watch it?
on the YouTube channel. It consists of new segments, mini segments, and new skills.
That's pretty cool.
Yep, on to our next destination. So this is the mini. Where's Lewis?
Eventually.
Expecto Patronum. I'm so sorry about that,
I was
Lewis.
falling for like 30
I'm
minutes, bro.
so sorry. You were not meant to see that.
Where even are we?
We're in the mini studio.
What do they do here?
You make quick clips of anything.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, we're back to where we started.
Congratulations. We concluded the end of our journey.
Really?
Yeah. How do you feel about the class?
Great. How do I sign up?
Let's make that happen.